A path, a lake, the very breath. Night fastens upon a window, twice a small path or room. You appear at the gate, you follow, down the hallway where the television's been left on the top of the closet. Amplifications left and right, gateposts, 2 slabs of stone, time deranged and revered. Chill air, deep blue of conjoined sky and lake aciculate. A writing of true derivations, the lines are bestowed as praise for the lovely, slender and good girl who is my friend. The victim suffers through an image into desire or injury and death. Your face, your very breath, visible in the cold, commands me abjure, spells dissolve harm in the shop of nothing by the way of nothing.